Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail notification not working in Realme 15 Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Now click on it and then click on do not disturb. Now here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on notification, and here you turn on your voicemail notification. Now simply click on a voicemail app like that, and then here you can allow the notifications. After that, go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on backup and reset phone, and click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.